Andrew from Dispomed here. Today's video is about how to maintain your machine on a monthly basis and a 3-month basis. The first step of monthly maintenance for the autoclave is to open the door using the up button for a few seconds. And then your door is open. The second step would be to shut the breaker power off at the back of the machine. Step 3 of your maintenance, your monthly maintenance or every 50 cycles, would be to open the cover for the clean water tank and found at the very bottom a white strainer filter. All you need to do is just pull it up. Make sure that it's clean, no debris stuck to it. You can use a toothbrush to remove any hard debris stuck to it. Rinse it out and then reinstall. Wipe the inside of the basin of the machine to remove any residue. The next thing is to remove the rack. Also, you can clean the rack. Found at the bottom of the chamber near the rear is a strainer filter, which is found right here. You just unscrew the strainer filter. As such, pull it out, and there you go. This is your strainer filter. Make sure that there's no debris around the strainer. Also, you can use a toothbrush to remove any particles stuck on the inside of the strainer. Rinse it out, and also, if you wish, you can pull it out to remove any residue on the inside. Put back together, such, and reinstall. There you go. Next step is to use a rag, as such, a damp rag, to clean the interior of the chamber, removing any debris or dirt on the inside, as such. Reinstall your rack. Fill your water tank with distilled water only. During your monthly maintenance, also to clean the front door gasket, which is found right here. Front door gasket, using a damp rag to clean off any debris on the door gasket, and to clean the surface of where the door gasket sits on the chamber, which is right here. Also using a damp rag. Regarding the maintenance of 3 months on the machine or 200 cycles, at the front of the machine, you open the front cover, which exposes the HEPA filter. This is to be replaced every 3 months or 200 cycles. To replace it, simply unscrew the filter and discard the old filter and replace it with a new filter. Screw it back in. And that is your 3-month maintenance or 200 cycles on the machine. Thank you.